Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by soaking 1 cup urad dal for 4 to 6 hours. This hydrates the grains so they grind fluffy. Once drained, grind with minimal water to a thick, aerated batter. This is why texture matters. Air gives lift and crispness. Mix in 1 tsp salt, chopped onion, 1 tsp cumin, and green chilies for flavor. Make sure to test a small fritter to check seasoning and consistency before you proceed. It saves time and avoids redoing the whole batch. You wet your hands and shape the batter into discs or donut forms. Pressure and speed affect interior softness. Once the oil reaches 170 to 180 degrees C, fry 3-4 vadai at a time so temperature recovers quickly. This prevents greasy, undercooked centers. Flip once when edges are golden and the surface bubbles reduce, which ensures even browning and a crisp exterior. After frying, drain on paper towels and rest briefly so steam escapes. You finish by serving vadai with hot sambar or coconut chutney and a sprinkle of cilantro. For curry vadai, briefly soak each fritter in warm sambar so it absorbs flavor without collapsing. Once done, place on a warm plate and drizzle a little sambar around for presentation. If a vadai is soggy or falls apart, check 3 things: batter moisture too wet, grind texture too smooth or too coarse, and oil temperature too low. Adjust one variable at a time to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.